Good morning. Now in this video we'll discuss the Google Classroom, how a teacher can use the Google Classroom for his study purpose. So these are the applications we can do or work we can do from Google Classroom. Mainly it is used for the assignment and the study material. So first work we can provide the study material, means notes and URL of YouTube video or any document. Material can also be provided by the WhatsApp, but in this we can also provide the document directly from the YouTube and URL or etc. And to create, the most important is to create assignment in any format, document, sheets, or we can attach file and share whole class. So assignment can also be given by the WhatsApp, but here it is the major difference between the WhatsApp and the Google Class is collection. In this Google Class we can collect assignment individually, means we have account for each student and we can check the progress of each student during the throughout course period. So this is the major important. Also to create auto evaluated or auto graded quiz, we can also create a quiz that will be graded automatically. And to hold online exam, we can also have the online exam using this Google Classroom. And we can also provide the submission date, and we can also set the date for release of the assignment. So now how to start the Google Classroom? So first we have to, if we use the mobile, then we have to download from the Google Play Store the Google Classroom app. And if you use the your laptop, then it is the G Suite. So we can take from that G Suite folder. So in this case I am using this laptop, so we can take it from my G Suite folder. So okay, now let us start. We can open the Google page. From here we can open this Google page, and from my account, this is G Suite folder. From here we can take the Google Classroom. Here it is a Google Classroom. We'll open this Google Classroom. So now it is opening. Okay, it is open like this. Initially, if you have not created any class, if you are new to this Google Classroom, this space will be blank. Now we have 3 folders because we have 3 classes. I have already created 3 classes, so that's why the folders are there. If you are new, then these folders will not be there. Okay, now how to start? Suppose we want to create a class. So first we'll go at plus. If we are teacher, then we create the class. If you are a student, then you click the join the class. Suppose we for a teacher, we create the class. So this type of the message will be there. We click on this, continue, and then we'll give the name of the class, and like this I have given this PEE food science. So you can give the name of the class. Rest it is optional, you can fill or you can not fill. So if you press this create, then the class will be created like this. like this folder, and this folder is opened like this. Here this folder will be, you can see this folder, this type of the folder, but with no, how to connect the student is the second procedure. So to connect the student, the best option is, there is a class code, so you can share this class code. Student can join, and if he fill this class code, then he will be join the class. Now if suppose 40-45 student joined the class, then it will look like this. So in any class there is four options stream. In there is a stream means all activity will be shown in this stream. All activities, have you created the assignment, have you, generally this is for sharing of your notes and all these things. So you can share notes, you can have any announcement like this. So share something with your class. If you click from this, so you can type any notice, you can type to the class, or you can add the notes also. You can add here the file, YouTube link, any types of the assignment. You can give the you can give the material, reading material, study material to the student, and then click the post. So it will be posted to all the student of this. Now come to this second one, classwork. So in this classwork, we generally create the assignment. So this classwork folder is generally create the assignment. How to create the assignment? There is plus create. So here we will click the create. There from this we create the assignment. From here we create the quiz, and from this we'll give some, pose some question on which all the students will respond on that question. So suppose we pose two question, and we want to provide an answer from all students on a single sheet, then we'll use this type, and this is used for the material, and this is reuse post. Suppose you have already created the assignment, and if you want to repost that assignment, then you can use this one. So suppose we click the assignment, then for this assignment you need to insert the title, and it is optional if certain instructions are to be given. Then either suppose the assignment is there in your any file folder like this, so you can add that file. Suppose you have the file, then you can link that file. This is the file, sorry, this is the file. So you can upload the file from here. So here you can upload the file. Okay, my drive, then share drive. So you can upload from my drive, or select files from this computer also. So you can take from here. Now second option is to create. So you can create also, you can create docs, you can create slide, sheets, drawing forms. Generally we create in document form. So suppose title is given, write down question number 1. So what is transformer, and if we want to share this, then you can share with this, or you can share with whole class. Now you give the title, transformer, instructions if any want to give. Now here students can view the file. Here this is the option, if student can only view the file, so we'll see make a copy for each student. Now student can write in this, each this question will be distributed to each student, and student can write on this. If we choose this you can student can view the file, then student cannot edit this file. He will do is your own sheet and then upload the document. So whatever you want, you can do this. Student edit, if student can edit this file, so all the student can will be write on this file. So you can choose this like this here, make a copy, and if you this assign, then assignment will be given to all the students. Now we have created this assignment. Now we can also create this quiz assignment, question, same material, and reuse post. We'll discuss in next video. And now we come to the stream, and so let us in this stream, if we want to grade the student work, then we'll go from here. Suppose I have given some assignment, multiple assignment, short type answer, short type question on the transformer. So we'll open this short type question on this. So here this is the topic, this is my assignment, short type, this is short type question, and on this student responded like this. Here only title will come. So here two categories of student will be there. This is turn in, means student, the list of student those submitted in time, done date. We have fixed a date, so he has submitted in time, and in rest of the student, yes, they are not submitted in time, or till now they have not submitted. So here this is there 36 turn in and 13 assigned, still assigned, not submitted. So it is the total is 49 students. And so those who have submitted assignment, yes, submitted by attaching a file like this. So it is this one. So now we can have here classes, and if we want to change or edit the assignment, then we have to go in the classwork. Suppose we want to change this assignment, we want to delete the assignment, then we can delete this assignment from here. So it is deleted. And if we want to modify assignment, so we can modify assignment from here. Numericals on the transformer or short answer type questions like this. So this is the assignment, short answer type question, and from here we can edit also like this. From this addition we can change the question, we can also change the date. This is the date to all student, points ungraded, we can mark the grade like 100 and all these marks, points ungraded, or we can have any points. Due date, we can also change the due date, topics like this, and we can save. So this is how we can edit the our assignment. And from pupil we can see the whole class, and from grades you can see the grades till now, what are the grades. And so now come to the stream. Stream means all these activity, it is the desktop of your class. So hope you can benefit it from this video. Okay, thank you.